To get started with this website, all you need is a phone or a laptop that has internet connection to whenever you access the website I'm going to be sharing with you online. Now, you can make as much as $1,000 plus doing this side hustle I'm going to share with you now, but you have to bear in mind that this is not going to make you a millionaire. It's just a side hustle you can use to augment the one you already have, like the job you already have. So the first website I want to be talking about does more of chatbot training and survey style work. They can also give you room to explore the expertise you have or the passion you have on the website. You can also do creative writing on this website. Now, the interesting thing about the website is that they pay you as much as $20 per hour, and there is flexible work hour. You don't need to have AI training. You can work from anywhere you are in the world. And the good thing is they get you training before you get started. So you don't need any degree to get started because the training is on there for you to just go through, and afterwards you are good to start up doing this job. Another good thing is the payment is transparent and you choose the type of project you want to work on. Nobody's going to impose any project on you to work on. So what it means is that whatever you're working on is what you know that you can actually do, and you are confident that you can deliver on the job. Now, the good thing about this website is there is room for people that can actually code. That is, if you have coding skill, you can actually make lots of money on the website. So if you come to the website, you come here where it says know how to code, you click here. So you can see that to get started you have to create an account, take an assessment test, and engage in the task. And the payment is usually weekly. Like the payment for any job you do on this website that is approved is usually weekly payment. And how much work that is available is, as long as you qualify for their long-run projects and demonstrate high quality work, there will be virtually unlimited work for you to work on the website. And how much you get to earn working as a coder on this website is you make $40 plus per hour on the website if you have coding experience. So the name of the website is called Data Annotation Tech. This is where you go and find all these jobs. To get started is just you sign up, you take the assessment test, they train you, and then they give you a job to do. So it's that simple. You may want to check it out. So the second website is a popular one. If you are used to watching my videos, you may have heard about this website. And the work they do majorly is transcription work and translation work and all this type of small tasks that you can easily do and make money. And like the previous websites, they will pay you per hour depending on the work you do. They usually pay $5 to $20 per audio hour, and you have to bear in mind that it is not per hour, so they are two different things. So you have automated scripts. That is the interesting part of this website. They have done major part of the work for you. All you have to do is more like proofreading, it's more like making some minor corrections from the automated scripts that they will give to you to work with. And you can work from home anywhere you are and at your own convenience, just like the other websites that I mentioned. And the name of the website is called Scribe. All you need to get started is listening skill, ability to comprehend good English, and you can apply context, identify mistakes, and correct an automated script, and then you get paid for the work you do. And of course, the payment is through PayPal. Including the previous website I mentioned, they'll pay you through PayPal or any other means that they will communicate to you after signing up with the website. So you may also want to check out this website. And the third website is one that does not really concentrate on a particular type of job. They have varieties of jobs, including video editing and other stuff that you may find on this website. And they get to source people from different platforms. And on the website, you can see that they have lots of community of freelancers that are doing the job for them on the website. So, but as long as you are good, you can easily apply and stand a chance of making some money on the website. So to get started with this website, you fill out a basic form about yourself where you tell them about the professional service and other things you can offer. Then you take quick assessment to show your skill and the more things you do or things you can do on the website. And then the third is you complete your tax information. What it means is that before you get started with this website, you must have a tax information that you can fill out on the website. However, this website, from my research, I don't really think if they are available worldwide. They are usually having jobs from Canada, from the US, and I think UK too. So, but if you're in other countries, you may want to check out at intervals to see if they have jobs from your locality so that you know if you can apply to the website or not. They also have trainings too to help you get started on how to work with them on the website. The name of the website is called Welocalize.com. I've also mentioned this website previously on my channel if you're used to watching my videos, and they did not really mention how much you get to earn using this website on their platform. But from my research on Indeed.com, I discovered that they pay their freelancers from $27 to $43 per hour, depending on the type of work you did for them on the website. So you might want to check that website out. So we are left with one website, but before I share that, please take a time out, like this video so that other people can learn and take advantage of the opportunities here, and subscribe to my channel. We're on the road to 2,000 subscribers. I really thank you for your support so far. Now, the last website is for people that are good with transcription or typing job and translation, those type of stuff. And this website is available worldwide. That means that no matter where you are in the world, you're eligible to apply to this website. And on the website, you are allowed to use your phone to work with them. However, using your laptop will give you a chance to be fast and do your job accurately and easier. So they also encourage you to use the laptop. And of course, you can stay from wherever you are, like I mentioned earlier, to do the jobs on the website. Payment is also made weekly depending on the job you did, and they don't really have fixed payment like for a particular job because they have lots of jobs. But however, get 60 cents per audio or video minute you transcribed. So this website don't really pay that much, but it's a place where you're sure to get jobs, and as long as you're doing the work and you're doing it well, you keep getting jobs. So they also say that you can get up to like $1,215 as a top monthly earning on the website, and on the average you earn $150 on the website. So all you have to do is to register with them. You work at your own convenience and you choose your own projects like the previous websites I've mentioned. Also, of course, you always stay busy once you sign up with this website. And then the payment is weekly, and they have transparent systems to pay you, like they say here on the website. You can do your job from anywhere. The interesting thing is you have lots of transcription jobs from different languages. So no matter the language you speak, if you don't speak English language, you don't have any issues on the website because they have lots of language here they transcribe to. The payments they make is usually through PayPal or Payoneer. So you must have either of these accounts so that you'll be able to receive your payments. And payments are made every Friday, every week. So it's a weekly payment. They hire from anywhere in the world. And you have to bear in mind that you have to take care of your taxes on this website. So if you're interested to sign up to this website, the name of the website is GoTranscripts.com. GoTranscripts.com is a place where you can find some of these transcription jobs, and then you get started and start making money as fast as you can. Now, I have other videos about transcription job, writing jobs that are showing on your screen right now. You might want to check them out, and please don't fail to like, subscribe to my channel so that you can get more videos from me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.